I tell you, I only make stoner music, gangster music, killer music.
Alright, my camera's about to die, so hope you stay here with me, bro, cause I got some things to do. It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger! Another banger! Another banger! Now, when it comes to this video, I have a dope sneaker review, and the sneaker review for today is going to be on the goddamn Air Jordan 1 Pine Green. Whoa. So without further ado, listen, before we get into this video, the Instagram and the Twitter, all that is at ImChrisBriggs, and also check out the family Instagram at ImChrisBriggs too. But right now, bro, I need you guys to sit back in your seats. I need you guys to grab whatever beverage you have to the left or to the right of you. Preferably a goddamn lemonade, because you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. I got my lemonade with me. Sit back, gear up. Because, yo, we got some shit to get into. Now, when it comes to the Air Jordan 1 Pine Green, listen, my first thoughts on this sneaker was that the quality was definitely insane. I'm not gonna lie. When it comes to Air Jordan 1s, a lot of people like the Air Jordan 1s that come with like that normal smooth type of leather, because over time, when you beat that leather up, it gets extra tumbled, you feel me? These came in like this, all over tumbled type of leather, and I think that that is super dope, because honestly, like I said in the unboxing, the gray leather is completely different from the black leather. Another cool thing is like the tongue. Usually on Air Jordan 1s, we don't have leather tongues, but we get a leather tongue. I think that that is fire, how it has Nike Air on that in red. Camera on me, right? So one thing I want to do is I want to get into this quality. Yeah, look at that. Look at that green tumbled leather on the toe. That's super cool. You see how like the black leather is kind of different from the green leather? That is what I'm talking about. That is literally what I am talking about. That is fire. Also, one thing that's different about this Air Jordan 1 is the fact that the patch is stitched on. It's like a leather patch. I've never seen a leather patch on a Jordan before, but I'm messing with that. And like I was talking about earlier, you see that tongue, bro? Nike Air on that bad boy. Nike Air, you see that? Straight up Nike Air, and it's in leather in black and red. The quality on this sneaker right here is fire. Just look at that. Just look at that. So when it comes to Air Jordan 1s, right, they look even better when they get beat up. So just imagine how that leather is going to look when that gets beat up. A lot of people was complaining about the leather. I don't know why they were complaining about the leather. This looks dope to me. That cut looks super thick. You see that cut? You see that cut? Yeah, bro, it's super thick, bro. When it comes to the sneaker review for today, I had to give it to the Air Jordan 1 Pine Green. Definitely a super dope sneaker. I feel like that green and black is dope. Also, like I said, the fact that the leathers are two different types of materials, that's cool too. I think that this sneaker's quality is on par with like maybe Shattered Backboard 1, maybe Pre-Level Band. And honestly, if I had to rate this sneaker, I'd give it a smooth 8.5 out of 10. This is a great shoe. The materials are fire. Also, the sneaker comes with red laces. So if you wanted to get a little different, fancy, you could do that too. I think that I might do one black, one red, or I might do black and red, red and black, or some crazy shit like that. Or I might just, I don't know, I might put some pink laces in here. Maybe, just to be a little, just to be a little different, you feel me? But, how do you like the Pine Greens? Do you think that these are dope or trash? Let me know in the comment section down below. More videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon. That On Foot is coming up right now. And I need you to sit back and get ready for that hoe, because that shit about to turn up, you feel me? Thank you guys for watching as always. More videos coming soon. And all I have to say is, hey, blessings. Blessings, blessings, and Chris Briggs signing out.
Chill. She say boss up, so I dropped the top on that bitch. She wasn't fucking with me when they had shit, but she
Chris Briggs.